Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Whatever you are, thank you so much for taking a few minutes of spend with me today. Your time, your support and your kind words mean more than you know. I have collected beautiful Christmas craft ideas that are easy, creative and full of warmth. These easy, creative, and full of warmth, these ideas are not just only decoration, they are little moments of happiness that can make your home feel peaceful, cozy, and full of love. Christmas is a season of sharing smiles, creating memories, and enjoying simple moments with the people we love. You don't need always expensive decoration to make your home beautiful. Sometimes a handmade decoration, a ribbon, a pine cone, a wooden sign, or a small Christmas ornaments can make a space feel magical. Every craft you see today, it has its own special charm, and I hope at least one of these ideas inspire you to create something beautiful. One of the best things about DIY Christmas crafts is that anyone can make them. Whether you are a beginner or someone who loves crafting every year, these ideas are simple enough to enjoy without stress. You can use affordable materials, recycled items, or supplies you already have at home. The most important ingredient is your creativity and your love for mixing something with your own hands. As you continue watching, imagine how these decorations look good in your living room, bedroom, dining table, front door, or even your workspace. Small handmade details can completely change the feeling of a room. They make your home look warm, welcoming, and filled with love, the spirit of Christmas. I also want to thank every single person who has joined this amazing journey with me, whether you are subscribed recently or have been here for a long time. I truly appreciate you. Every view, every like, every comment, and every share helps this channel grow naturally. Your encouragement gives me the confidence to keep creating new videos every day. If you have a favorite craft in today's video, please let me know in the comments. I love reading your comments and seeing which decorations you enjoy the most. Your suggestion help me plan my future videos for you will love even more. This channel is growing because of the wonderful community and I am grateful for each one of you. If these ideas made with smile or give you inspiration, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family and who love Christmas decoration. If you are new here, you are warmly welcome to become a part of our creative family by subscribing. There are many more beautiful Christmas ideas coming very soon and I would love to have you with me on this journey. Before we finish, I just want to say a thank you once again from the bottom of my heart. Seeing this channel grow with your genuine support is one of the happiest feeling. Every kind comment, every supportive word and every returning views make a big difference. I hope this community continues to spread creativity, kindness, and inspiration to people around the world. I wish all of you happiness, good health, peace, and endless blessing. May your home always be filled with love, laughter, and beautiful Christmas memories. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Take care of yourselves. Stay creative. Keep smiling and I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day and thank you for being part of this beautiful journey. Your support means more than you can imagine. Every like, every comment and share help this channel community can grow naturally. Your kind words always motivate me to create better videos. Thank you for watching, supporting, and believing in this channel. I hope more wonderful people like you join our creative family every day. Your love and positivity inspire me to create uploading new videos. Let's continue growing this amazing community together with creativity and kindness. I truly appreciate every one of you. Thank you for being here. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Before we end today's video, I just want to say thankful for my every single one of you. This channel is growing step by step because of your kindness, encouragement. Every view, every like, truthful comments, and every share remind me that there are wonderful people watching from different parts of the world. I will continue bringing fresh, unique, and beautiful Christmas craft ideas for you. If today's video inspired you, let me know which craft was your favorite. Your feedback always helps me to create better content. Then you for being part of the creative journey. I truly appreciate your support and I can't wait to share many more amazing ideas with you. Until next time, stay happy, stay creative, stay inspired, stay blessed, and keep spreading kindness wherever you are. Go. And it makes me so happy to see this creative family growing day by day. Every new viewer, every returning subscriber, and every kind message bring a smile to my face. I hope this channel continues to inspire more people who love simple, beautiful, and cozy Christmas decorations. If you enjoy this content, feel free to stay connected because many more creative ideas are not in the way. Thank you for your love, your time, and your endless support. I truly appreciate every one of you, and I hope to see you again in my next video. We have a wonderful day, and God bless you all. Your support helps this channel move forward one step at a time, and I am truly grateful for that. See you in the next video with more unique Christmas inspiration. Thank you so much for being here and thank you for making this journey so special. And thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed today's Christmas ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative inspiration. Your support truly means a lot to me. Have a wonderful day. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay creative,